in the state?
Well, thank you very much. First of all, to thank Almighty Allah for preserving our lives. It's not automatic. It's the will of Almighty Allah that we are alive. So we are grateful. We are very grateful that we are alive and that we have good health. So the essence, all of us must understand that the essence of Eid Kabir is for us to sacrifice, compassion, love and loyalty. So I think it's important that all of us, we show loyalty to our country, we show love to our neighbors, and we show compassion to the needy. And that's the basic essence. It's not like they said during the Eid that Almighty Allah doesn't need the blood or the meat. He needs our mind. So we must make sure that we do the right things for our brothers and sisters. So we cannot kidnap our brothers and sisters. We are not doing the right thing. We can't do terrorism by destroying the life of other Nigerians. So we must show that loyalty, peace of mind, so that Almighty Allah can answer all our prayers. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Do you have any special message for the political class, given that the nation and the state have just marked a second term in office? What would you tell the political class?
Well, just for all of us to understand why we're here, and is to make sure that life of Nigerians are easy, we protect the sovereignty of our country, and to make sure that Nigerians live in peace. And so all of us must work together, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Christian, whether you are Hausa, you are Igbo, Yoruba, whatever you are. We should stop division. We should stop division and the noise. A lot of our political class are too negative minded. Let us be positive. The positive things that are happening in our country, we should encourage it. The negative things, we must talk about it, but we must minimize it so that at least our citizens can take all the positive components and build on it. There is no nation that doesn't go through problems, but good people will come together to resolve those issues. But we shouldn't kill ourselves. We shouldn't fight over everything. We should sit down together and talk to ourselves. As political class, God has given us a responsibility, and we must use those responsibility well, not to divide our people, but to unite. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
With Mr. President for the giant strides he's making in that sector, and particularly, you know that one of the a bridge in Plateau State was also commissioned yesterday, and then the president also made a definite pronouncement about the road from Akwanga passing through Jos, Bauchi, Gombe, which is the 4th national legacy project. And that is a project that is dear to my heart. It's a project that is dear to the people of the people in that corridor, Nasarawa, Kaduna, Plateau, and a good chunk of that road is in Plateau State. So I came particularly to show appreciation to Mr. President for giving that road priority. And of course, I stayed back to be able to wish Mr. President happy Sallah. Like you know, moments and occasions like this are moments when we use it to be able to preach about the need for unity in our country. We must rise above the divides of faith, the divides of ethnicity, and be able to galvanize ourselves as one nation. That is the only way we can develop. Well, the issue of insecurity, like you know, is not something that started today. It's not something that began with this president. It's been a recurring decimal over the last 2 decades or more. And so solutions cannot come overnight. But we continue to consult with the president and proffer our own ideas on how solutions can be brought to the security challenge in the country. It's every day that you keep reviewing the situation and look at how to be able to deploy both kinetic and non-kinetic solutions. And so we continue to have the conversation around the issues of security. It's a dynamic thing, and you continue to understand the changing dynamics and how to be able to address them adequately.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
No, but for insecurity, I'm sure if you are following up with what is happening around the country, you will believe me that things are improving. I can give you numerous examples. For instance, Abuja, Kaduna, that used to be death trap, is now really cleared. People travel at all times, safe and sound. The same thing with Birnin-Gwari. When you come to Lokoja, Abuja also, and many roads that we fly. You hardly hear of kidnap and banditry around those roads now. And markets have been reopening in both Kaduna, Zamfara, Sokoto, Katsina. Of course, there are some insecurity, but you have to look, contextualize it, where we come from to what is it now. And they will tell you that it has improved tremendously. And I have seen a lot of programs from you, from your journalists, going around those places and really talking to people, and people have been confirming to them that security has improved tremendously.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.